Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
What should I do if my dog reverse sneezes? A common remedy is to hold the dog's nostrils closed for a second and lightly massage its throat to calm him. Lightly blowing in his face may also help. This should cause the dog to swallow a couple of times, which will usually stop the spasm of the reverse sneeze. 19 May 2016.
Take our lead.
It is very rare for dogs to develop any complications or suffer any risk during these attacks. Most episodes of reverse sneeze last less than a minute, although longer durations have been reported. If your dog experiences a reverse sneezing episode, you may gently stroke the neck and try to calm him.
Make your mark, take our lead.
The classic symptom of kennel cough is a persistent, forceful cough. It often sounds like a goose honk. This is distinct from a cough-like sound made by some dogs, especially little ones, which is called a reverse sneeze. 20 July 2019.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.